Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to play diatonic scales 3 notes per string. Diatonic scale, in its narrow meaning, is essentially the same as major modes. You know, Ionian, Dorian, Phrygian, Lydian, Mixolydian, Aeolian, Locrian, etc. While this approach is not the best, it's not the worst, it's just an approach, and obviously it depends on what you're playing right now, what musical passage you're playing right now. So why I like this approach? Because it's pretty simple. All you have to remember is just 3 rules, and I'm going to show you these 3 rules. Obviously, when you play a diatonic scale 3 notes per string, you have to use some kind of patterns on one string, something like those patterns. So let's give these patterns numbers. Let's start from this one. It's a half step and a whole step. So, pattern number 1. Next will be pattern number 2. It's a whole step and a half step. Pattern number 2. And pattern number 3. It's 2 whole steps. Pattern number 3. So we have pattern number 1, pattern number 2, pattern number 3. Now I want you to remember one simple sequence. 1 1 2 2 3 3 3. 1 1 2 2 3 3 3. And once again 1 1 2 2 3 3 3, because it's kind of looped sequence. Now the rule number 1. When you play diatonic scales 3 notes per string, you would use pattern sequence derived from this 1 1 2 2 3 3 3 sequence. What does it mean? Let's play major scale. Let's look on patterns. Pattern number 3, number 3, pattern number 1, number 1, number 2, pattern number 2. So it's 3 3 1 1 2 2. As you can see, this sequence is a part of 1 1 2 2 3 3 3 1 1 2 2 3 3 3 sequence. Now let's play the minor scale or Aeolian mode. Now let's check this out. Pattern 2, pattern 2, pattern 3, pattern 3, pattern 3, pattern 1. So it's 2 2 3 3 3 1. And this is also the part of 1 1 2 2 3 3 3 1 1 2 2 3 3 3 sequence. Now let's play Locrian mode. Okay, let's see. Pattern 1, pattern 1, 2 2 3 3. So it's 1 1 2 2 3 3. Okay, rule number 1 again. When you play any diatonic scale 3 notes per string, you would use pattern sequence derived from this 1 1 2 2 3 3 3 1 1 2 2 3 3 3 sequence. Okay, now we know what to play, but we don't know where to play. So rule number 2. When you move from pattern number 3 to pattern number 1, you shift 1 fret. You shift 1 fret up when ascending and 1 fret down when descending, obviously. Let's play the major scale. So I'm starting from the 5th fret, pattern 3, pattern 3, next to the pattern number 1, and I'm shifting 1 fret up according to the rule. Now let's take, for example, Lydian mode. This would be 3 1 1 2 2 3, pattern 3, and the next is pattern 1, so I'm shifting one fret up. So rule number 2, when you switch in between third and first pattern, shift one fret up or down. Now the next rule, the rule number 3, exists not because of scale structure but because of guitar standard tuning. So the rule is, when you switch between third and second strings, shift one fret up when descending and one fret down when descending. Okay, the major scale. So it's 3 3 1 1 2 2. 3 3 1 1. Now I'm going to play pattern 2 on second string. So pattern 3. So it's 3 3. Now I'm going to play pattern number 1. Shift one fret. Now I'm going to play on the second string. Okay, now let's play the minor scale. Let's see what we got here. Pattern 2, pattern 2, 3, 3. Now I'm going to play pattern 3 again, but since I'm moving from third string to the second string, I shift one fret up. Next is pattern number 1 after pattern 3, so I shift one fret up, according to the rule number 2. So these rules, rule number 2 and rule number 3, they work all the time, and sometimes they even work simultaneously. Let's take Dorian Scale. So it's 2 3 3 3 1 1. Pattern 2 3 3 3. Next I'm gonna play pattern 1 after pattern 3, so I shift one fret. But I'm also moving from third to second string, so I shift one more fret up. So these 3 rules is everything you need to know if you want to play diatonic scales 3 notes per string. So rule number 1. Playing diatonic scale 3 notes per string, you would use pattern sequence derived from this 1 1 to 2 3 3 3 looped sequence. Rule number 2. When switching between pattern number 3 and pattern number 1, shift one fret. Rule number 3. When switching between third and second string, shift one fret up in ascending motion, one fret down in descending motion. Good news is, since modes are modes of each other, you can use one pattern sequence to play any of modes or diatonic scales. Let's use 3 3 1 1 2 2 pattern sequence. If your root is here, it's a major scale. If your root is here, it's a Dorian scale. Now it's a Phrygian scale. Now it's a Lydian scale, etc, etc. And vice versa, you can choose one scale and play it using any of these pattern sequences. Major scale. You can see that it's actually 2 2 3 3 3 1 sequence. Now it's 1 1 2 2 3 3 sequence. And now it's 3 3 1 1 2 2 sequence. Okay, I hope this video was helpful. Bye.